Hey everyone, so I got my physician's formula order and I got the light to medium and pretty good. Pretty good. I like it way better than what I was wearing last time. I can't use tinted moisture. I need a nice full coverage. After I finish my makeup, I'm just gonna use this on my eye. It's very like moisture rich, almost oily. There's no way I'm using this as a primer for my face, but I'm gonna put it under my eyes. And then I got the liner. Oh, I got a sharpener from the Rose collection. I'm gonna take pictures. I haven't had time to do it last week, but anyway, just want to let you know what I got. Now, I know I'm crazy, and because not just because of my green hair, but out of all four palettes, I really like this palette the best. It's more like their smoky palette. All right, so I used this green. It's more like a pastel green, from that summer collection they did once, the beachy something or other. And I'm gonna go into this. To me, this isn't really. These aren't true greens. This looks more like a teal green. And I'm even using the same brushes because the colors are similar. And this time I am gonna put fake lashes. I do have to go out. The dang mailman drives me nuts. I was home all day Saturday. Whoa! Oh yeah, that is a deep dark green. Whoa. I'm going to go into this pretty taupe color as the transition color. Oh, me likey, me likey. And I'm going to go into this dark brown color. Oh, it's really dark. And go into the deep crease. Blend that out. And then go back in with the green. My hand has been really sensitive. Take the lightest color for the highlight color. I didn't do my brows. I keep forgetting. But I always do it, later. This color right here, or is it this one right here? It has some sort of a shift. I keep thinking like I see a shift in it. I guess it just depends on where the light hits. I'm gonna use that color for the inner corners. Sometimes the shift looks like a green color, sometimes I don't know, maybe I'm seeing a pink. This is definitely a smoky eye. Alright, let me finish my makeup. I'm definitely putting lashes. I do have to go out because the post office line said I wasn't home. I was supposed to get my package from Australia, and they said I wasn't home, and now I gotta go get my package. And not only was I home all day, we have parcel lockers, so. Anyway, let me finish, clean up, put my lashes, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone. So this is the finished look. Today I just started to just do the messy look. This wine color on Cloud Wine, it's a little patchy. I had a hard time with it. So I was gonna do this on camera and I forgot. It was a little bit too thick for me. It's supposed to be a matte liner, not, it doesn't matte, I don't know, matte just turns me off a little bit, but it was a little thick, but I guess it's perfect because you're putting on the fake lashes. For the blush, I just did the red blush, and then I kind of mixed these two colors together for the highlighter on my cheeks, but on my nose I just did the lighter one. And I think that's it. Yeah, the only other thing I did was I used this beige color for under the eyes. Now I use this just to get my lashes to stick together. OMG, note to self and everybody else, do not cut your lashes while they're on your eyes. I had fake hair all over my face. It was horrible. I had to like do my foundation again. I don't know if, I think it's because I have deep set eyes, but this keeps going into, as with all my mascaras, they get on the bottom. I blink and it's all over the bottom, and no matter how much I clean it, it just keeps happening. I do the finger thingy and you can see it on my finger, but it never stops. So I'm like applying under eye concealer all the time because of that. Yeah, so these lashes were the same ones I used for Halloween. Perfect for Halloween because they were like the biggest ones that Ardell had. I don't know if it was like the 103. I can't remember, but I used them very rarely. I used them for my apple dumpling look, and I used it for the look that I used it for Halloween, and it's perfect for Halloween. Very big, but for regular lashes is for regular looks, even for a smoky look, I do not recommend big lashes. I know some people like them big, but for me with my deep set eyes, even Marlene Estelle was saying it, wispies are the best for people with deep set eyes because your eyes are so in that it just overtakes the whole look. So I tried cutting them and it was all over the place, and now they look awful, but you know what, I think they're done. I think they're ready for the garbage. I don't know if you can see how big they are. Yeah. So anyway, I think they're done. I think I wore them about 5 or 6 times, and I cut them and ruined them, so they're done. But anyway, so yeah, so I'm gonna go get my package now at the post office. I think this is really frustrating how they lie. I was home all day. I have a parcel. We have a parcel locker in our property. If it gets too full, sometimes they'll leave the packages out and just let you know it's been delivered, and they said that they no authorized person was available. So not only do we have a parcel locker, not only was I home all day, but the office was open on Saturday. So I should tell them pay my gas money. It's just right around the corner. Anyway, so let me get my Australia package, and then I can, this week, I will, try to get swatches out. Okay, take care. Love you all. Bye.